bittersweet heat is suffocating.
Good morning! It is January, I think it's January 6th. Holy cow. It's January 7th and I'm still watching. I just posted Simply Race. I'm watching her and also I'm making some. Ito yung kakainin ko guys for breakfast. French toast. And then I'm going to have my coffee as well. And look, I still wear this. It's cold. What can I tell you? Let me see you guys. Oh, not yet. I want it to be crunch. And it says it's going to snow today. Snowstorm. I don't think so. It says 9 o'clock, but it's not 9 o'clock yet. But let's see. And oh, I'm not having my coffee yet. I was saying that this chair, you know, do you see that chair where Hobbs is? I said before, oh, because we got a new dining chair, and I was saying I don't want this in the house. But went shopping, I noticed the difference that those chairs are not really built well like the old days. This is like how many years now? This chair is like since, I don't know, 80, 90 years, something like that. This chair, the new one, is not even built properly because you have to individually like screw this, screw here, and then a few months later you have to tighten the screws because it's going to loosen. So this one, it's built properly guys, you know. So it's like, instead of throwing this out, why not keep it, put it in the basement? When we have money extra, we're gonna redone it. We have to send it to halter, I don't know how do you call that. We're gonna send it to somebody to redo the whole thing, like different the same shape but different style. Like the back, you can put foam in it, and or just the same, not like the same, but it's a different thing. Change the foam, the seat cushion, and change the color. It's really strong guys, I'm telling you. It's like I'm doing this like this. It's not making noises. And I think, how many is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They have only 6. Yeah, it's only 6 pieces they have. I think they have more. Yeah, what is it, Hobbs? Look at this cat. I know I have it here, but I don't give you anything yet. You have to wait for Mama, oi. Oh, you want to, oh, look at this, oh. You have to wait for Mama, oi. It's 10:30 in the morning. 10:30 in the morning and it's snowing outside. I don't know if you can see guys there. It's snow. Let it snow. That means I'm going to shovel later. Shovel. And Tommy is going to work later. Very soon. I can't play that drone outside now. The water wet. So only in the dry weather. Okay. Dimples is having her extra food. And also guys, I'm going to start downloading music from YouTube, because you can download music on YouTube and transfer it to your phone, to your iTunes. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do today also, later on, because I need the music. I like, especially when I'm driving, music is always the key to make me like live, not falling asleep, but you know, concentrated. That's what I'm gonna do today. Download some music, 1980s love songs. That's it, like whatever songs that I can, because I like love songs. Yeah, my sister-in-law, they're planning to come here today to rent a trailer for moving, but it's snowing, so they are not coming here today. Probably, I don't know what their plan, maybe next week. But it's really snowing already 9 o'clock. The prediction is good, because most of the time when it comes to rain and things like that, the newscaster, the weather forecast is not even like good, not even accurate. This time it's very accurate. It's 9 o'clock this morning. But the worst thing is in Long Island. It says it's not even upstate. It's in Long Island. So the Long Island is worse. He ignored half that he got to Dimples.
Rocks? I will play with us.
I'm supposed to post the No, I'm not a cat. What the?
There's a lot you don't remember from that day. Isn't that right, Jesse? The medical chart says patient suffers from post-traumatic amnesia, intermediate amnesia. Yeah, that's what I said. Did she shoot you in self-defense because you were stabbing her? I did stab her. What color gloves was officer?
Hello, Tommy left. So anyway guys, I probably see you later. And yeah, I'm going out later on also. Wind, shovel, because the snow still keep going. There's no point of shoveling outside. If there's snow, just keep coming. And so I will see you later. And I'm going to, oh shucks, my charger's downstairs. I don't want to go downstairs. Hi guys, I am done taking a shower. It's growing now also. Now it's growing the hair. I need to do something about it. Not shave it, wax. I-dry ko muna tong hair ko guys. Isasama ko kayo sa pagdadry ng hair ko. Oh, there's a lot of messages. Hold on, guys. Okay, somebody comment. Hi, Lovely B. Yeah, hi, Lovely B. I'm just reading your comments. And I will reply you later on. And yeah, because I'm going downstairs and do laundry, guys. And yeah, I have to carry my chopstick with me all the time now. Because every time I go I'm downstairs, I kind of lazy to go up here to get it until I feel the, you know, my lips it dried already, but I kind of lazy to get up to come up here because I'm just lazy. Even I have to wait until my lips like crack, and it's not good. So kapagod pag maraming hagdan. I bring the phone down here. The snow is getting heavier. I mean, not heavy. It doesn't fall really a lot. I like seeing myself when I have makeup, honestly. Just be honest here. But I'm too lazy. I mean, not too lazy. It's just there's no reason really to put makeup on if you just stay home. And I brush my teeth, Roxy. I did brush my teeth. What do you think? Why you move like that? Like I have a stinky breath? Huh? Oh, the plow is already started. Time check, guys. It's 3:01 already in the afternoon, and I haven't done anything. It's very high already. Oh yeah, guys, I'm ready. Ano lang ako, magsusuot ng butas. Snow boots. Yeah, so ready na ako, guys. Ito lang susuotin ko. And it's really cold. It's really cold, so that means the snow get ice. That's the hardest part to do. So I'm gonna do my thing while I don't do nothing. This is my exercise. This is my exercise as shoveling. So shovel. I doubled up, guys. Look. Double. And I have cycling under my jeans. So I will see you later. I can't bring any camera. I hope I have GoPro with me. That was tiring. I'm done for now. My face is red, as you see. Every time I came in from doing something in the snow, my cheeks is red. Yep, blooming cheeks. Okay, let's see if my tummy texted me. Yes, he did. Anyway, guys, I just came in. The snow's not stopping yet. But of course, at least with this just keep snowing, it's not keep building up higher. I don't care. I have to do it twice. But anyway guys, my cheeks is very cold and red. I like it. It's kind of numb, like it's like I just came out from Botox, like I just did my Botox. It's kind of anyway guys, I will be replying Tommy, or I will call him. And the dog is shaking outside, especially that one is shaking outside. I don't know, she can't stand in cold weather, right Misty? You can't stand it. You can't stand it. I have to go guys because the thing is low, but I will see you later. You're snowy. Look, you're wet. I'm gonna get rid of the snow of your skin, especially in your mouth, baby. In your mouth, baby. Sit up. Sit up. Good girl, Roxy. Sit up. Good girl. You sit up. Misty, sit. No. Sit. No. Sit up. Sit up. Sit up. No. Down. Sit up. Good girl. I will show you outside right now, guys. I'm gonna cover the mic because wow. Yep. Coldy. Look, I shovel over there and there's still it's built up already like crazy. Easy. And look at the neighbor's house. It still have like a Christmas thing. Start thinking for dinner too, because it's already 3:38. I don't want somebody kisses me. I don't want anybody kisses. There's no kisses, Rooks. Kisses, you wet. You're wet. Your head is wet. Your head is wet. I know you love the snow. I know you do. Look. That's the neighbor's house. And yeah, they're playing with the kids. It's very pretty, guys, right? That's, you know, the snow, you're playing outside with your kids. It's amazing. And the cars is right there, another neighbor houses. Yep. So it's very nice. Hi guys, I am going outside to check if the snow is gone. Hold on guys. Hold on. I'm going outside to check if it's still snowing. The snow is slowing down, guys. Slowing down, but you know, it's windy. Huh? A little bit. I'm gonna wait until 7 o'clock and then I'm going back outside. I just got in from outside. Change ko tong TV to kasi iba naman eh. It's very windy. And I think it stopped snowing already. It's just the wind. It's just so windy. That's why I think it's still snowing, because the snow is flying, because it's a powdery snow. So every time the wind blows, the snow follows. That's why I think it's still snowing. It's 7:47 already. So guys, I'm just gonna have dinner. Lasagna, salmon, and zucchini. That's what I'm going to have for dinner, and I'm gonna wait for Tommy to call me back later. Ito yung dinner ko. Dito na lang ako kakain, guys, sa table ng asawa ko ng pag ano niya, lasagna. I'm having lasagna. I don't know you guys if you can see. Lasagna, zucchini, and salmon. And this is my dinner. I'm under the blanket already. And Tommy just called me and he says that it's not snowing over there anymore also. The same here. It's not snowing. And he asked me also. He asked me if I put salt. I said no. And it's just, I shoveled twice already today. And you know the driveway is freaking long. Did I shovel twice? Oh, my arm over here. Oh my god, I'm such a baby. My arm, my hips area, my butt is area, whatever. Oh, what is this show? It's kind of nice. What is this? Anyway, guys, I'm ready to just lie down, guys, and watch this show. I don't know. I don't know if maybe it's ending. It's a horse dragon. Ah, it's so nice. Oh, thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, it's a fish dragon. Anyway guys, I'm gonna end this vlog, and thank you all guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it so much. If you want to keep watching my daily life, guys, if you want to keep watching the video, update the video, please do subscribe if you haven't yet already. And I will see you next time, guys. Bye. I will see you next time. Bye bye. Oh, if you are new in this channel, welcome to my channel. Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Why?